What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm here to do another full house cleaning to test vacuum performance. This time I thought I would feature my Hoover Elite 350. I already did a full house cleaning on this, but anyway, I brought this back because I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for this full house cleaning of this same machine. As you will notice, this may look a little bit different than it normally does. That's because the body of this, as you can see, it does have a newer style black body, and it even has a black motor casing. No, don't worry, I still have the original parts for this, but I basically took the body and motor out of my Hoover runabout, and even the carpet height adjustment knob. I put it all on this. I did have to use the original Elite 350 bag holders because I couldn't use the black ones. They were a bit wider than the original Elite 350 outer bag, so the original ones work good. But anyway, I'm doing this mainly to test its cleaning performance of how it handles a 7-amp motor in one of this. As you know, I did this one with its original 5-amp motor. I even did one on the Elite 5.0, also with a 5-amp, but with a double row brush roll. This one originally had a single row. I even did one on an Elite 600 with a 6-amp motor and a dual row brush roll. So I wondered how the high performance variant would handle. And I am running a dual row brush roll in this, medium stiff bristles. I honestly like this bottom plate design on these older 80s style Elites because it doesn't have the ridged portions right here, so this thing makes much better carpet lines than it would with the later models do. And even the black body is just a little touch to let you know that you can mix and match parts. Even has the red power switch. And honestly, if Hoover made factory rebuilt versions of the Elite 350 and the Elite 600, they would have probably came with the black body on the back. So this would probably be my depiction of a factory rebuilt Hoover Elite 350, more or less, and with a black carpet height adjustment knob to kind of contrast it. But anyway, enough of my blabbing. Let's go ahead and put this thing to work and do a full house cleaning and see what it picks up. So, away we go. All right, as you can see, we'll kind of make out the carpet lines. So this makes very beautiful carpet lines. And this is a dual row brush roll. I would like to point that out. And the bristles are very long. They're not as stiff compared to other Hoover brush rolls I've tested on this, but this is just an amazing job. So anyway, let's continue on. full house cleaning is complete. Let's go ahead and pull the bag off and see what exactly got picked up in those few runs. I imagine it probably picked up a lot because I haven't vacuumed my house in almost over a week. Also, the 7-amp motor upgrade in this draws so much more airflow than the 5-amp. Unfortunately, it is a bit more noisy than the 5-amp, I will say, but the performance is what makes up for it, because look at what it picked up. Now keep in mind, I'm running a double row brush roll, and I haven't vacuumed my house in about a week. And look how much got pulled up. But imagine there's a lot more towards the top, if you could catch that. But that is just amazing. For those of you who have a damaged motor or whatever, old school Hoover Elite that you find and you need to motor swap it, I definitely say these 7-amp motors will make an excellent upgrade. They improve the cleaning performance. Unfortunately, they add a bit of noise, but that's kind of the trade-off you get. Good performance, but a little bit more noise to put up with. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this full house cleaning with the Hoover Elite 350 that's been tastefully upgraded for high performance. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.